Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Anamika and today's video is going to be all about Nykaa haul, Hawk makeup haul, thoda sa Flipkart and thoda sa Amazon and haul. It's not a specified haul, but it's a haul of makeup and skincare and some sort of stuff related to makeup, obviously. Yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll begin with makeup, skincare and tools. So the things I have bought from Nykaa, here it began. So this is the first thing is this is the Blink Leader Illuminating Moisturizer, which is in 02 Pink Trippin, and I haven't opened it yet because it arrived even today. So this is how it looks, and this is how it is sealed. It retails for $4.99, but I don't know how much I got for. On sale I got it for like $4.50 or something. There's nothing like a discount on this. There's nothing like discount on this cream, but it was like do a shopping for $999 and you'll get a product free. So I'll show you what I got free. So yes, this is how these creams look. Let me open the seal. So yes, it comes in a tube, and wow, see, oh my god, oh my, this is amazing. I think it can be called a dupe of MAC Strobe cream because I'm totally loving this. So yes, this is a Blind Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. You can use it as a primer and you can use it as a glowing cream. This is also can be used for like daily makeup routine, so that you can just apply it on your skin and go with it, just this cream and a lipstick on, and you're done with it. So yes, I really love this cream. I really wanted this, so I bought it, and I'll definitely give you a review and a full one brand makeup tutorial on Sugar Cosmetics very soon. Next we have is this Magic Wand concealer, which is I'm in the shade 40 Brave. You would have seen my previous video. I have used this because it has arrived बहुत पहले, and it was I bought this concealer and the foundation together on a deal for rupees, like get any two best sellers products for rupees 999. So yes, I bought these two, and this concealer, oh god, the consistency of this concealer, why it's not opening? Sorry, I think it's quite expensive. Like you can get a Fit Me concealer of $4.49, I guess, $4.75 I guess, and this is of $7.99 if I'm not wrong. This is of it is of like, yes, this is of $7.99. So quite expensive this is, but okay, if you get a deal like this, if you get two products at $999, then this is a really amazing concealer and you should definitely give it a try. On to the next product. This product is Ace of Face foundation stick. I am in the shade 47 Borgia, and आपने मेरी first video में ये देख ही लिया होगा. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that video. This foundation, oh god, मतलब एक होता है कि why this foundation is so expensive, or why should I spend my $999 why should I spend my $1000 for this particular foundation, but it is worth it. I know some of you might think कि ये थोड़ा expensive है. Yes, it is, but I got it for $499, so okay, मेरे लिए expensive नहीं पड़ा. But yes, this foundation is really great, and I would really recommend that you should go for this foundation. This is really amazing foundation. The best part of this foundation that it comes with a brush, which you can see, and this brush is super soft on your skin and the bristles are super soft. So I would definitely recommend for oily skin people that this is a go-to foundation. If you want to use for a daily purpose or you want to go for a function purpose, it is a really great foundation. You should give it a try. Into the next Tri-Sugar products. Okay, I have purchased many Tri-Sugar products because I wanted to give it a try. This is a Dream Covers SPF 15 mattifying compact of sugar, because I was running out of my compact and I really needed to buy another, so I thought, why not sugar? Okay, some of the products I'm like opening right now, so I'm very much excited. Please bear with me. How it looks like. And wow, the mirror, the Sugar Cosmetics layer, and नीचे इसकी फ्लोर पे the Sugar Cosmetics sponge, which is really soft and amazing. And this is the best part of this compact, that is it is with SPF 15, which I really love, and I will definitely give you the review on this product. And as I told you that I'll do a one brand makeup tutorial on Tri-Sugar products. Till then I'm collecting all the sugar products, so yes, stay tuned. But this Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Kajal Free, which is in the shade let me tell you, green of light, I guess, which is in the shade green of light. And yes, let me just unseal this. Oh, what it is, let me just show you how it, oh my god, this is so smooth. I mean, wow, this is really smooth, as you can see right away. I'm impressed. But what is this? I mean, this was like down. Is it sharpenable? Yeah. I have these two Maybelline New York lipstick, which is in the Creamy Mattes by Color Sensational. Let me open it for you guys. It was the offer, like buy one and get one free. So yes, let me just open it for you guys. And it retails for rupees 299. So why not buy? I mean, if we see, I got both of the lipsticks at 300. Two lipsticks at 300 is a good deal, I guess. So this is a pure pink Magenta shade, and I'm gonna swipe it for you guys. Swatch it. This is how the shade looks, and I really love this shade. Oh god, I'm going to wear it very soon. And in the the free product is Firecracker Red, and I think this is going, oh god, I love this shade. This is orangey red, as you can see, and I'm very excited to try these on. So this was all that I bought from Nykaa, the makeup thing. Let's come up to the Hawk makeup, what I bought from Hawk makeup. And first let me start with this. Okay, so this particular set of 4 lipsticks comes retails for what the, okay, this retails for 700 bucks, but okay, so this retails for 700 bucks, the 4 shades of lipstick. And but guess what, I got it in a deal of rupees 450. Like, it was 100 rupees per lipstick. Can you even imagine? Let me open this for you guys. And so I have tried these lipstick before, so please don't judge on the basis. So this is E9115B in Wet n Wild, and this is how the color looks. I'm gonna swipe it for you. Boom. This is such a mauvey shade, you can just see. what a shade, what a shade. I have tried one of the Wet n Wild lipsticks, and they are, trust me, so underrated. They are really great. I mean, at its price, it stays all day on your lips. So this is a great purchase. This was the thing I was really excited for. So next in the shade is this is E913C, and this is how it is swiping. This is a bit of brown shade, a brown and a little bit of mauvey shade, which I already had, and I'll show you. So yes, this color, they all are like a nude shades, so I am really impressed because I got 4 new nude shades. And the next shade is E912C. So I guess this is going to be a bit on purple side. Yes, as I already told you, all of them are of a mauve tone, but I really love them because they're really great. And please don't tell me this is such a steal deal. I mean, I got it for 450. I won't add that 50. And this is a complete nude shade. So this is how the swatches look, and these were the lipstick I purchased, and I really love them all. They are so great. The formula of these lipsticks are really great, and I am definitely going to repurchase them if I somehow ended up on this lipstick. So yes, I will definitely going to rebuy them. And I bought this from Hawk Makeup. Another product I bought from Hawk Makeup was luxury baking powder, which is a baking powder, a banana powder, and I really wanted a powder which is a banana powder, and this is my second purchase. You can see, and it retails for rupees, I'll just mention it down. I don't know where it is written. It mentions for rupees for what. So yes, this is really amazing powder for baking. It really bakes well, and this banana powder is really amazing. So yes, if you want to give it a try, you can give it a try. Whereas if you're a beginner, you really don't need a baking powder, but I used to do makeup, so the very first purchase of my skincare is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50+ with Heloplex Broad Spectrum UV AUV VP blah. So yes, this is a Neutrogena sunscreen. I heard a lot of things about this sunscreen, and I gave it a try when I went for some holiday. So yes, this is a really great sunscreen. This is not my second purchase, but this is my first purchase, and I'll definitely let you know guys about this. How was it? And so yes, this is my first purchase. This cannot say anything about it. Coming to the next product, the next product is definitely going to be my favorite Lakme Blush and Glow face wash. तारीफ करूं क्या मैं उसकी जिसने इस फेस वॉश को बनाया. Literally this face wash is like heaven to me. मतलब ये इतना अच्छा face wash है यार. I don't have words to describe this face wash, but yes, this face wash is really great. I got 3 bottles of it, and this face wash is really amazing for oily skin. I am sure for oily skin this is going to be a great product, but for a dry skin, I have heard from so many people that this delivers great amount of moisturizing and don't dries out your skin and everything for dry skin, sensitive skin, everywhere. So yes, this is a all-rounder face wash, and this is my favorite for now, and I am going to repurchase this every single time I'm going to shop for skincare and makeup. So yes, this is my infinite purchases. I don't know how many times I've bought this face wash. So yes, since last 2 years I'm using this face wash, and I tried to switch. I was like, I need to try some new products. I tried, but I was just like stuck to this product. It's such a heavenly product. And coming to the next product, I bought this Sen Botanica Biotin and Collagen Volumizing Shampoo. As you guys know, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बाल बरसने का मौसम चल रहा है ये ऑलरेडी. सो yes, I bought this biotin and collagen volumizing shampoo and I'm going to give it a try. The main purpose of me for buying this is because it is paraben free and it is of Sen Botanica. Obviously it retails for rupees 599, but I got it on offer for like 399 and it was like I think this will not disappoint me, and it says perfect for thicker, fuller and healthier looking hair. So okay, I'm going to give it a try. Second last product. So yes, this is the Kama Ayurveda pure rose water and this is for rupees 250 and this is a great mist. It refreshes your face immediately. This is my third purchase and I'm going to purchase it every single time I'm going to purchase my skincare. So yes, definitely go to buy it. Coming up to the next product, this is the Pond's Super Light Gel and this is my second purchase again, and this is completely amazing product for oily skin. If you haven't watched my video on this product, there we have a full video on this product, detailed review, so you can just go and check it out and then come to this video. This is really amazing product. So the tools I have bought, so the tool I have got for this was Color Bar Beauty Blender, and this is a really great beauty blender. It retails for rupees 299 I guess, or 199, I don't know. I guess it retails for rupees 200, but I got it for 99 from Amazon. And this beauty blender is so amazing. I kept it in a polythene so that you guys see कि ये नया है, but I have used it one time. So okay, ठीक है, तो चलता है. So yes, this beauty blender is so amazing, so cute, so soft, and oh my god, I don't have even words to describe this beauty blender. 100 rupees में ये beauty blender इतना अच्छा है ना, I just can't say. So yes, if you're looking for affordable beauty blender and with a really great quality, this is a great product. The Color Bar Blended Etude, it is available on Nykaa as well, but I got it for like 100 on Amazon, so I bought it from Amazon. So the last thing is going to be really amazing for all the makeup beginners out there and everyone listening to this video, to every makeup lover listening to this video. I bought a really affordable makeup brush set which includes each and every brush you need to have for your makeup. Yes, and trust me, it is of rupees 999. So do you want me to show it? If you don't, अगर आप मना भी करोगे तो भी मैं बोलूँगा. So here are those brushes, and it comes with a box even. They are BH Cosmetics brushes, and trust me, these brushes are really great. It has this powder brush, it has this pencil brush which needs to blend, it has this mascara brush, it has this eyeliner brush, it has this fluffy blending brush. So see, I haven't even opened them so that you see that I haven't done. It has this pencil brush, dome pencil brush, it has this flat brush which is for foundation, for applying foundation. It has this fluffy powdery brush which is for powder thing. It has this brush even which is for blushing, and it all over have 13 brushes, and the all set is such an amazing set that you can get it for rupees 699 on Flipkart. The links of every product will be available on in the description box, so you can go and check it out there and tell me what you want in my next video. So yes, that's it for my today's video. Thank you all for watching my video. Bye bye, see you till next video.